Hi, I'm Jess Okuhara, Deputy General Manager for Yugong Machineries Asia Pacific. Today, I'm going to do a walkthrough on the latest model of excavator, the CLG 921E. The CLG 921E is a 21.5-tonner excavator. The main application is for general construction, infrastructure, mining, earth excavation, and truck loading. The 921E has the same engine as our more popular model, the 922E. It's Cummins QSB7. We have a new optimized hydraulic system, customized and special hydraulic system for general construction, faster response time, and more energy saving. Another special feature of the Yugong excavators is the boom. The boom is a one-piece steel casting, rear and front. It has a boom support that is more reliable and durable. The CLG 921E comes with a 1 cubic meter bucket, standard bucket that ensures high quality and speed. It also comes with a standard hammer line. It's also worth noting that the bucket has reinforced platings. We have 6 working modes: power, economy, lifting, fine, breaker, and attachment. 6 selectable work modes equip even the newest operator with the skills of an expert, allowing them to perfectly match the machine performance with the job, whatever that job may be. Using the right model will give you better productivity and lower fuel consumption. Engine and auto-idling function. Intelligent and automatic engine speed deceleration system further lower fuel consumption by 3%. Comfortable cabin. The largest cabin can easily fit 2 persons. The micropressure system prevents dust from entering the cabin. The advanced air conditioning creates right environment in any weather. It has 6-angle adjustable operator seat, which makes the operator comfortable in any operating environment, reduce fatigue, and boost productivity. Easy and ground touch maintenance reduce operating costs. Easily clean and change the air filters with high-efficient cooling parallel radiators. Easy to remove and clean. Cabin air filter and switches can be inspected on the ground. Engine oil filter and fuel filters easy to access. Remember to use Yugong recommended genuine part